Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS VZ24EHF-W, a 24-inch CMOS LCD display. So friends, this is a 24-inch Full HD liquid crystal display featuring an IPS panel, and this display boasts a slim profile with its thinnest point measuring mere 6.5 mm. And additionally, the narrow bezel design makes it ideal for multi-display setups, and the monitor supports the 100Hz refresh rate and features adaptive sync technology catering to casual gamers. And key specifications include brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1300 gem on display colors, 16.7 million viewing angle, horizontal or vertical 178-degree response speed, MSRT 1 millisecond, interfaces HDMI and blue light filter, and flicker-free eye care function included. And the monitor stand allow tilt adjustment ranging from -5 to 23 degree, and it is VESA mount compatible with a 75 by 75 mm pattern. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.